What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Minecraft video, and it's how to make a high security jail cell. Let's get right into it. Okay, and I'm back. So basically I have with my brother made this jail, and it's pretty much the highest security jail, and I'll be showing you how to make it. So first, every security person there gets a lever, and that can open up jail cells and that sort of stuff. So right now we have one prisoner, Johnny. Let's just show you what happens when you place. Sorry, it's a bit slant. Johnny, look, there's a chicken. Okay, we're gonna do. Okay, well, later those guys will not be there. So, yeah, basically what happens is if they try to break out, if you're holding. Oh. Yeah, but if you try to break out, there's observers on the outside, and that will send a signal, and then it sends sounds downstairs. So let me just show you how to do that. So basically, yeah, and then we have a moat with elder guardians and grounds and stuff. Yeah, but here's all of the redstone that's in the building. So here's how the thing looks like. So let's say we can use stone. So this is the main idea. So if they try to break a block, it sends a redstone signal to the watching base. Yeah, so let me show you how to make that right now. So first, what you want to make your jail. I'll make it out of this. Iron bars, that sort of stuff. And you want to just make I'm going to do it on a different place. I'm going to do that to a small. And then basically just make it. And you want the sides to be made out of a solid object so they can't see the observers. So, I mean, they can see the observers if they want, but then they won't even try. But you have that, and then you have that. And for the sake of time, I'm not gonna do it on the floor, but for the floor, you basically can go grab an observer. Redstone. And yes, I used the Yoda skin. And okay, so basically what you want to do is for the ceiling, what you have to do, then you have to place the observer like this, and then maybe just add your thing of choice. That's like that. So I'm not used to doing it. So then, of course, when this block gets broken, it sends that. Okay, but anyway, I'm just going to build the jail real quick. Okay, so we have our jail cell. And basically what you want to do is you want to have, I'm going to destroy that, to just get the observers like that. And basically do that to all of the sides. Last side. Okay, after you do that, you want to start with the redstone, and I'll show you how that's done right now. So first, I'm gonna go in this person. You want to make a a pattern that goes like this. So it's every other block like a checkerboard pattern, and then do that to all of them. Okay, so I think there are different ways that you can do that are easier. This is just the way that I made up over there, and it seems to work okay. So then what you want to do is add redstone dust on every one except for the top ones. So there should be, if you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're doing a 6 by 3, you should be using 9 pieces of redstone. So yeah, I'll come back once I'm done with this. Okay, so I went ahead and did all of that. And by the way, this is just for one cell, not the whole jail. Then connect all of the redstone, and then what I like to do is I place a block right here, and I place one there and there, and then just add redstone dust to each of them. Just do that. And do that. So then, basically, since all of these are connected, what you want to do is I'm going to make the alarm system in the front. I'll make it right here, a block right there. So basically what you want to do is you want to connect all of the redstone together. And then add a repeater so you get more strength. Do that. Then add some dust out to here. Neatness. Okay, then just add a repeater, and I'll do that to the last. Repeater. And then you can have this going wherever you want. And then simply add whatever alarm system. You can have a note block or a series of things. So then, what should happen is when you break a block, that should, yep, did you see that? I'm going to break another one. And then that lights up when it gets braked. Or, they're being sneaky and they try to place it back. Still lights up again. Yep, so that's basically how you do that. I'll give you a tour of the other jail that me and my brother made. So first, what we have is we have some elder guardians, and then that just makes it so that it's harder to escape through the water. And in survival, this is pretty much impossible to escape. And basically, this is where all the monitors work that make sure no one gets out. And let me turn on the sound real quick so you can make, okay? And basically, what happens is, they're in the jail cell, and we have a few jail cells, and this basically just puts it in there. Give them a block of stone. And then it comes into the chest. So, if I go in, autosave. Okay, I hope you guys can hear that, but when you break it, sends a redstone signal, then if you can hear that, I'll show you what's going on downstairs. Why would I do that? No weapon for you. Okay? So then what happens, what it looks like downstairs when it breaks the block is it makes noise, and then it lights up the lights and comes off. So then they know that something's, and then it will stop the circuit. Yep. Yep, so that's basically the jail that me and my brother built. It also has a lighting system for upstairs so that jail people can go to bed. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Like. What did I just break? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. This is the jail. Yeah, thanks for watching. You can see the light in the background if I break a block. Lights up. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time at Dimitri's lab. Now I destroyed the jail. Freedom! Looks like I'm flinging that poor block.